Okay, here's another weekly update video. This one should be pretty quick because we're doing a normal week. As you can see, our theme for the week is attack and defense, which we're kind of running out of time here for the trimester. I wanted to get to a couple of more entertaining topics. So we'll talk about what dinosaurs used as far as defending themselves against predators, and then what did predators use for trying to capture their prey. So we'll take a look at those different features, talk about strategies, talk about what we see in the fossil record to kind of support the different theories or hypotheses that paleontologists have for these different habits. Okay, so we're going to treat it pretty similar to what we did during hybrid learning. The only difference is I get to see you a couple of times, and we'll spend some time talking on specific aspects of the theme for the week. So I don't see you Monday, so you can see the to-do list is there. It's been that way this whole trimester. You've got new resources to use to help you understand things, from the weekly readings to the videos. You'll have your normal homework for the week. I liked the couple of people that did the discussion. I appreciate that. That was a lot of fun. So if you want to do that again, if you want to jump in and try that with those people, feel free to take a look at the directions. Okay. And then you've got the attack and defense quiz this week as well. And remember, you take that as many times as you need to. It's open note. You can take it with other people so that you can get that perfect 10 out of 10. Tuesday, when I see you, we're going to focus more on the defense mechanisms, things that dinosaurs use to protect themselves. Things from frills and horns to just long legs so that they can run fast. So we'll talk through that on Tuesday when I see you. Wednesday is that work day. It's that help day as well. So utilize the morning chunk of time to get stuff done for all of your classes, including this one. And then if you do want some help or have questions about the week or the class, you have the afternoon to do that. I will be at school on Wednesday. If you would prefer to Zoom in and ask questions, just let me know. I'll make sure I've got everything set for you for the afternoon. Thursday, I don't see you, so I'm going to just treat it as a work day to get your homework done, to go through those resources, to work on the quiz. Okay, so utilize that time after period 4 to do some of those things. And then on Friday, when we're back together, we're going to focus probably a little bit more on the more entertaining aspect of the week, and it's those attack features or behaviors that dinosaurs exhibited based on what we see in the fossil record. Okay, so jumping back over to Schoology, you can see in the upcoming you've got the quiz and the homework. When it comes to the homework, I did mention the discussion. A lot of people have been doing the one-pagers, which are great, but if you would like to participate in the discussion, there are set things that you have to do in order to get the score. So please make sure you read through that to make sure you get the score that you want on that. Okay. Otherwise, we are in week 6, attack and defense. For those of you, no matter what you're doing for the homework, these are the learning targets that you need to cover, whether you're doing a one-pager or working through that discussion. Okay. So again, it's identifying different defensive and predatory adaptations. So things that we see on the skeletons of these dinosaurs, different predatory behaviors. So this is not something necessarily we can see, but we can interpret or try to suggest based on what we see in the fossil record, not only on the animal, the carnivore, but also on the herbivore or the prey, right? Next one suggests potential intraspecific behavior. So a lot of this predatory prey is interspecies, right? One species interacting with a completely different species. We're also going to discuss evidence that we have for species, so different animals of the same species interacting with each other. What do we see in the fossil record there? And then the last one, identify other fossil evidence for defensive, predatory, or other intraspecific behaviors. Okay, so all that stuff is discussed in the reading for the week, and then also those videos. Okay, so we'll see you 2 times this week, which I'm excited about. Come with questions and make sure you get those 2 assignments done for the week. Have a great one.